There's a cat. That is a whole cat. What if that's a bobcat? I mean, what do you guys want me to do? Just trying to do my intro sequence, and that's what I get. What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we have one that you guys have been begging for, have been pleading for. We're gonna get rid of the chrome back there. We got this monstrosity going on here, and then we got the front grille. Today we're getting rid of one of these, and well, you already know which one it is. It's currently 4:47. My videos for some reason are seeming a lot more rushed recently. I don't know if you know, but there's a storm going on kind of heading my way now. It's gonna start raining around 5, so I have 13 minutes to get these side steps off. If not, it's going to be a mess, and I need to hurry. If I get home super soaked, Sandy's not gonna be happy. We got a bed mat and bed mats. Or door steps. Actually, they're door mats, but well, you get what I'm saying. And this didn't slide. Let's put this here. Ow. Oh, that didn't close right. Ow. All right, I took a look underneath, and it looks like it's just a few bolts, so I'm thinking 1, 2, 3. So it's not 5 o'clock. In one of my last videos, someone was telling me how I chose the wrong socket, I guess you could say, and that I was gonna strip something. Listen, buddy, I have no idea what I'm doing. If it fits and it works for what I'm doing, I'll call it a win. And if I break something, well then, I'd probably regret making this comment. Let's go ahead. We got 3 to remove. I think this should go by fairly quick. That was horror. You guys did not just witness what I had to go through. Look how wet the truck is. Look how wet outside is. And look how soaked I am. I'm about to go back out there and try. It says it's supposed to drizzle. Now, if it drizzles, I'm fine. I don't mind getting my feet wet. I spoke too soon. Day 462, trapped by the rain. I literally just stepped out. I get under the truck. I start screwing away. And this is what happens. It got even darker. Rain, rain, please go away. What was that song called? Rain, rain, go away. Please come back another day. Like maybe a day I'm not trying to do a modification outside. So as you can tell, it's raining. And well, now we have Sandy in the vehicle. Now we have to go to Walmart because we're gonna try to return the floor mats. We're gonna find our unfortunate fate if we're able to return them or not. This is supposed to stop at like 10. Hopefully I can remove the door steps by then. Also, I have like one screw that I kind of took out. So we're at the UPS store because we gotta do a return. Sandy's gonna take one for the team right now. That way we both don't have to get off, and that way I can keep the vehicle right here for her when she gets out. In the comment section, let me know down below, what do you think? Do you think they're gonna let me return them? I don't know. Some of them are missing tags, and Walmart sometimes will like let you return anything, but also sometimes just say no to everything. So fingers crossed. So I think there's a saying where you play dumb games, you win dumb prizes. This is what you get for trying to make your own bed mat. Just drive an hour or two, and get yourself a bed mat. Good news, I'm walking out without those horrid floor mats. I want to check something because I'm kind of curious. Let's check it before it starts raining too much. I want to see if the screw is still there. It is there. So it's still there. It feels looser than when I left it. Remember when I tried to do the fog light modification? We ended up returning those. Then we returned the horrid floor mats. And then remember those things that Sandy kept in the glove box for months? I actually only had the truck for a month, but what felt like an eternity, they actually let her return it. So this is what I'm talking about. Walmart, you are the best. Amazon, you are the best. Because if it wasn't for you guys, I'd be having a lot more of expensive lessons to have been learned. All right, you taking that Tundra or the car right behind it. I don't know if you guys are much into muscle cars, but that's a pretty beast muscle car. It looks like a Charger wide body, but that's a lifted Tundra. Oh, it's a double cab. I'm not a fan of the double cab. Still a Tundra. What do you guys think? Okay, I take it back. I'm taking that over everything. That's a Nightshade Toyota Tundra. Jeez Louise. It's 8 o'clock. It's raining. It's cold. I'm in shorts, but for you guys, the side steps must come off, so I'll go ahead and start that now. What a day. What a day. So this video has been absolutely jam-packed. Pretty much off camera, I have been going through it. So good news is they're off. I'm about to show you. Second thing is I got kicked out of a parking lot for working on my truck. Third thing is we got some cotton candy, so I'm super stoked about the cotton candy. But now, without further ado, you guys can stop all of the horrible trolling messages about getting rid of the old man door steps because Sandy has sold them. Sandy has got rid of them. So shout out Sandy. Thank you, babe. You're the real MVP. But now some B-roll. So yes, it's gone. it's no longer with us. The next time you see this truck with side steps, we will be at least 30 inches in the air because that's when you need them, and maybe some Predator steps. I feel like the Predator steps are by far the best door steps. Now, if you want to be an off-roader, rock sliders, of course. Also, my cotton candy fell. Also, you can see the difference in the LEDs versus the halogen right there. Love the LEDs. My truck is looking so sick. Yeah! I'm so excited. There's so much stuff that we still need to do. I bought Plasti Dip. Mumphy, shout out to you, brother. I appreciate you telling me I need more than what I bought for what I need to do. Also, I need to change out those halogen lights for LED lights. So much to do, so many videos to come. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And I just realized that shot, this new shot that I've really been liking to get, I can't get anymore. I was stepping on the side step to get out there, but maybe I should have kept it on one side and just told you guys I got rid of it and never showed you that side of the truck. What are your final thoughts? I think people on YouTube want to know. Do you think we made a mistake buying this? Or did we make a mistake buying the other things?
No, I like it.
So we made a mistake buying the other stuff first?
Yeah, even though it's embarrassing because it was my idea.
With all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. You already know the dealio, man. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. I'm gonna put this at the end of the video because Sandy doesn't watch my videos, but she also doesn't watch this far into the video. She thinks the video ends now. I was working on taking off the side steps, and one of the things fell, and give me right here. You live and you learn. When I was doing the lift kit, my dad told me not to go so crazy, to take my time, do what I'm supposed to do, but I ended up hurting myself anyways.